My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that claims to be the message from Microsoft Windows support, but this is a fake message. It quotes this fake Windows support number 888-927-1814. But this is definitely a fake number, not related to Windows or Microsoft. Do not trust these deceptive pop-ups. You need to open your task manager in order to leave this page, actually. So open the task manager, find your troubled browser and its task. Then you may reopen this browser again. And afterwards, I recommend you to additionally scan your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and then start carefully examining the system. So Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.